guys, today I'm going to be doing a wig review. Today's wig is going to be from Wiggins Hair. Oh, this is a very pretty bag. Here go all their socials if you want. Very pretty bag. So today's wig, I'm going to be reviewing a 12-inch 180 density V Part wig. Curly, so pretty. I love the curls. But a V Part wig. So if you guys don't know what a V Part wig is, you either can have leave out or you don't have to have leave out. But I think it's really for leave out, honestly. I'm going to try both methods just to see which one I like better, leave out or no leave out, and we will see. But this wig cap construction, so we have the V part, and the V part has this like very thin lace, so you can't see like a track, which is really good. You guys can see, really good. I'll have to just cut this part. And then we have two combs right here, two combs right here, a comb in the middle, two combs on the side, have a comb in the back, and then we have adjustable straps as always, and also a band, which is really good. I love bands so much. So this hair, it already looks really good and really soft. I already love it. It's really soft and I love this curly texture. I love curly hair just because it's so easy to deal with, you know, it's so easy. It might be easier to blend with my hair, hopefully. I don't know, we'll see. But let's just jump right into it. And I want to show you everything that they gave me. So it comes in this box, the wig. Comes in this pretty box with all their socials on the back. And in the box, they give you a Wiggins Hair headband. A Wiggins Hair, it's another like headband, but it's tighter, really cute. Or it might be a band, like to go on the back of your wig. Then they give you an extra band, just in case. They give you some lashes. Ooh, I'm not a lash gal. And they give you an edge brush. And they give you a wig cap, 2 wig caps. Really good. So I'm gonna cut the lace here just down the middle. I'm just gonna snippy. These scissors kind of suck. But okay, so this is what it looks like now. So it looks like this, this. And these combs are, they snap in like that. So if you ever wore clip-ins before, then you will recognize these combs. So yeah. For my hair, really short. So I'm just gonna make a middle part real quick in my hair. Usually people braid their hair, but I don't know how to braid, so. We working with what I got. We working with what I got, okay? All right, so there goes my middle part. Very straight, and I'm gonna undo all of the combs. So I feel like it'll be easier to put on once I undo that. Then I think I'm gonna just slide it on. Alright, so first I'm gonna try no leave out and see where that gets me. So I'm just gonna put the comb as close to the to my middle part as possible, like that. I'm just gonna snap. I'm gonna do that all around. Without me doing like anything to it. It already looks really good, honestly. So I've been seeing people kind of like, they like tease their hair, like they get a rat comb and they kind of like pull out some. I think I should put these a little closer. Okay, I'm not really liking it with no leave out. Like it looks a little so I'm gonna try it with leave out and see where that gets me. So I'm gonna just take some hair kind of like that and then just put the wig, got a little mohawk, and just put the wig around the hair. I'm trying to clip in the combs like that. On this side, like that. Okay. This is my little leave out. I'm gonna create that same middle part that I just did. Got the middle part down, cute. And I'm just gonna wet my hair, like drench it. And then I'm gonna take some of my Eco styling gel, and I'm just gonna put some gel on it, on both sides. I'm also gonna take some pieces from the wig and kind of like try to blend it as best as I can. I'm gonna take this hard brush and just brush it like that. This hair is really soft and really pretty, and I really do love the hair itself. And then I'm gonna take a bobby pin, since my hair is short and it won't blend that well. I'm just gonna take a bobby pin and we're just gonna make a style out of this, okay? I really do love the seamless like V part though, because I've seen some where the tracks are like really big. Like at the end, after I'm done with my leave out and everything. Really cute. Here's the middle part. Okay, now this hair is really pretty, really pretty, like I said. Spray it with water. See how it takes with water? Oh, it's really soft. It's so pretty. Some of my hair isn't blending that well, and I don't know why. This is the V Part Wig, 12 inches, 180 density, curly hair. Look how pretty. I try to blend my hair with it as much as I can. This is the back. Really pretty. This hair is really pretty, like so pretty. Everything about this hair will be linked in the description box down below for all your info. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.